Okay, I'm going to talk about the setup of our tables. You'll see the way the setups generate normally. You start at 1, you count by 1, you enter your functions. You can actually change some of these things depending on what you're looking for. So let me show you how to do that first. The button we're looking for is found, all right. You enter your functions, press second window. See where it says table set? And then we adjust that for our needs. So I'm going to hit second quit, second window. All right. So what this is, I'll explain each part of it. Okay. The first one is pretty obvious. It is where are we going to start? Okay. So if I change this, let's say for the functions I have in there, I'm going to start at 3. So I'm going to say start at 3. Then when I go to table, you'll see the first thing it does is it gives me x at 3. The next one is table change. Okay? Table change will allow me to adjust. Let's say I wanted to count by 2. Or I'll show you why. Hold on. Okay. So here we have a table, and I want to enter these functions. I'll do that very quickly. 2x plus 1. It's always good to hit delete before you, or hit clear before I type. 2x minus 1. 3x minus 2. Why am I reading you the functions? This I don't know. All right, so I'm going to go to my table. Now you can see the way it's set up right now. It's starting at 3. That's not where I want. I want it to start at 1. So now it starts at 1. But if I look at this a little bit closer, I see, hey, we're counting by 2. That's a 2, believe it or not. We're counting by 2 every time. So in my table set, I can say, no, don't count by 1, count by 2. Second table. And now my table goes 1, 3, 5, 7, making it even easier for me to compare the values. Okay, the last function on this, which is very helpful, is the independent put it on ask. What that will allow you to do is actually ask you for what values do you want to use. So if I go second table set and I put it on ask, when I go in the table at the bottom it says what do you want x to be? I want it to be 1. And it generates that for every function. Alright? I want it to be, I don't know, 3, 5, 7. Alright, the auto ask. Very, very useful. So these are the types of problems it would help with. Just in summary, when we look at this, we have 3 things we can change. You can change where it starts. You can change what it counts by. And here, instead of generating, you type in the x values. All right. We're going to next finish up. Oh, I got one more. Let me show you. So I'm going to go into y equals. I'm going to type in my function. This is where the ask is very helpful. Sorry, I forgot that this was on here. Okay, now instead of changing my table to count by halves, I'm going to enter this function in. I'm going to go second table. Notice these are all still in here. I'm just going to delete them out. And then it's asking, where do these intersect? Well, that means that if I type this in, this -1/2, both of these will have the same value. So if I type in -1/2 for x, they don't have the same value. So that means this answer is wrong. If I type in 1/2, oh, there's my answer. All right, and you can see if I type in 1, they don't match. 2, they don't match. So by using the auto ask, I can actually solve this type of problem without doing the substitution. Sorry, my baby just got home. Got to be quiet. And then getting rid of the fractions and all that work. Hope this video helped, and we're doing calculate value next. Good luck on your finals.